I'm Josh with Skid Pro. Today we're going to take a look at the biggest, toughest, meanest grapple in the Skid Pro lineup, arguably the industry, the industrial grapple rake. This thing is a monster. The 84-inch behind me tips the scales at just over 1,400 pounds fully equipped. This unit is built heavy. It has to be tough to take the bending, the prying, the pushing that those big machines can deliver. Where does all that weight come from? Well, let's take a closer look at some of the details on this design. We start with a solid quick catch plate, heavily gusseted top lip, and then from there, 3/4 inch tines that tie in to thick wall 3x3 square tubing, top and bottom of the lower grapple portion. From the bottom of that 3x3 tubing, extending forward, is the 1.5 inch thick tines. This is industry leading. We top it all off with an aggressive pin-on excavator-style tooth. Now when we come and look at the top grapple, it's not built quite as heavy, but it still boasts 3/4 inch industry-leading tines. And not only are they that thick, but they're well reinforced from the front all the way to the bottom. 2x2 square tubing, 3/4 inch by 3 inch flat bar, and then 1 inch solid bar at the very tips to just tie everything together. What makes this grapple different is its clamshell design. This unique design offers a few different benefits. First, it allows for an extra large 41 inch opening. That's great for high volume, low weight material such as trees and brush. Second, it allows for back raking. The back raking is when you go backwards with the top grapple as your only contact point on the ground. This takes away a lot of that fine hand labor and can leave a nice finish on the project when you're finished. This geometry also has shorter bottom tines than a traditional grapple style bucket. That allows for very aggressive digging and tine penetration to dig out roots, rocks, stumps, you name it. It's why we call this our grubbing grapple. Lastly, it has a very small gap close. This allows for extra security and tight gripping on loads. The tight gap close also allows that front grapple to be used for pushing over trees almost in a dozer-like fashion. Everything is protected, the cylinders and hoses are all behind, and that allows you to get some added productivity out of this unit. One of my favorite features of this industrial grapple rake is the bolt lock top grapple. You can run it with a single top, or you can remove 3 bolts and it becomes 2 independent grapples. That gives you added versatility. You can tailor the grapple to the job that you're on, and that means more productivity and quicker payback. Both the 72 and 84 have 8 tines, top and bottom, with about 10-inch tine spacing. Now, a few of the details that we think of so you don't have to Like all our grapples, we run protected hose routing throughout. We have a hose retainer clip and dual safety steps. We have extra large 1.25" pivot pins that are greasable at all locations. Don't forget about our powder coat finish and industry-leading 2-year warranty. If you have questions about this grapple or any of our other attachments, give us a call at 877-378-4642 or look us up online, www.skidpro.com.